boys and girls, I'm going to read a little story called Wish for a Fish. What's the name of it?
Wish for a Fish.
And I'm taking a pause on our habitat because we're talking about the Atlantic what?
Ocean.
And I have a picture of my favorite little man. What's his name?
Captain Nemo.
Cat in the Hat. How many people like Cat in the Hat? I love him. All right? He's talking about sea creatures, and we're talking about habitats. Let me read you my favorite story. Now, some people are wondering where I got this book from, but who knows where Kroger is? Kroger has a book section. Did you know that? You can go anywhere in Kroger, look for the book section, Roy, and get the book. I love fish, hands down. How many people love lobster? Some of you might not eat the big lobster. Hands down. What about crab legs? I love crab legs. And hands down. This is a different place where our animals live. They live in water, or is it land? Is the Atlantic Ocean water or land?
Water.
Water. Give yourselves a hand. Very good. Okay? Look at some of the animals that live down there. Flounder. You can have that at Red Lobster with some good butter on it. Ooh. Some people make turtle soups in different countries. They make turtle soup. I don't like it, but some people like it. There's some other things down there. There's some seagrass. Those are people that might be what? Vegetarians. Vegetarians eat no what, boys and girls?
Meat.
No meat. They don't eat any seafood. They eat only vegetables and what? Fruit. Anything that grows from the ground. Yes, Roy? That's basically like a turtle. Something that's a turtle. How many people have turtles as a pet? Have you ever had a turtle as a pet? Some people have turtles. Now, if you have a turtle, ecosystem, the habitats, talking about the habitats. Habitats are places where we what? Live. We're going to start today by giving a beat. I live in a habitat. The habitat's called Georgia. Say it. I live in a habitat. The habitat's called Georgia. Say it. I live in a habitat. The habitat's called Georgia. Okay, what's supposed to be? Wait. Here's supposed to be. I live in a habitat. The habitat is Georgia. Say it. I live in a habitat. The habitat is Georgia. Say it. I live in a habitat. The habitat is Georgia. Say it. I live in a habitat. The habitat is Georgia. Lean back. I live in a habitat. The habitat is Georgia. I live in a habitat. The habitat is Georgia. You get up the hand. All right, we're going to go over our standards. Please listen carefully. We're on standard S3L1. Students will investigate the habitats of different organisms and the dependence of organisms on their habitat. We're going to talk about the different habitats of Georgia. Where do we live? In Georgia. And some of our habitats are mountains, swamps, coast, Piedmont, and the Atlantic Ocean. Let's see. Remember, living things can move and breathe and eat and sleep and drink. Ready?
Come on, everybody.
We're living.
Gonna take a dance at the end.
We are living. Come on. Final action. Live it. Come on, living things. Move it. Let's go. Make the sound. Come on, living things. Let's go. We're moving. Living things can move and breathe. Girls,
Good morning.
how are you today?
Good.
We are doing at Fickett Elementary School. The month is September. Today is September 10th. Grade level is kindergarten. Our life science is SKL1. Students will sort living organisms and non-living materials into groups by observable physical attributes. So there are different things on our table. I'm looking at a bear. Your birthday is in October. We have something special for you. No talking. Table 1 has a what? Bear. Say bear.
Bear.
Table 2 has a dice. Say dice.
Dice.
Table 3 has magnets.
Magnet.
And table 4 has a frisbee.
Frisbee.
And table 5 has a hat.
Hat.
Put our hands together. Now, all the things on this table, we're learning 2 words today. Put up finger number 1. Say living.
Living.
Say living.
Living.
Say living.
Living.
Put up another finger. Say non-living.
Non-living.
All right, let's talk about things that are alive. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Deep breath in, let it out. Touch your ears. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
No.
Can you hear me?
No.
Very good. We have eyes. Say eyes.
I.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Very good. Things that are alive can breathe. Things that are alive can see. Things that are alive can hear. They can also what?
Eat.
What can they do?
Eat.
And what can they do?
Drink.
And what else can they do?
Sleep.
Once again, they can what?
Eat.
They can what?
Drink.
And they can what?
Sleep.